Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got something exciting news for those of you looking to kickstart or further your career in the world of cybersecurity. So, let's dive right into the video. First thing first, BDO India is offering a thrilling opportunity in vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, in short, VAPT. Whether you are a fresh graduate or have up to 3 years of experience, this could be the job for you. To succeed in this role, you'll need to have a deep knowledge and exposure to various areas such as web applications, mobile, Android and iOS, network security, API security, source code review, and if you have experience with thick clients, then that's a big plus. You'll be working from the vibrant city of Mumbai, so you'll get to experience the best of both worlds, a challenging job and the exciting city life. Now, here's how you can apply. It's super easy. Just follow these steps. Send your updated profile to the email address shown on your screen. Make sure to include the following details. First, your notice period. Second, your current CTC. And third, your expected CTC. BDO India prefers immediate joiners. So, if you're ready to dive into this exciting opportunity right away, that's even better. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, apply, get selected, and have a great future. Thank you.